We are all familiar with the big names on the internet: Google, Facebook, and Amazon. But there are many other websites out there that are just as useful, if not more so. These websites are often much smaller and less well known, but they can be incredibly helpful in a variety of ways. In this video, we will be taking a look at 5 such websites. These websites are designed to help with a variety of tasks, such as online shopping, organizing your life. So if you're looking for some assistance in your online life, be sure to check out these 5 extremely helpful websites. Number 1. NotAlwaysRight.com. Not Always Right is a website that catalogs customer service stories where the customer is wrong and the employees are right. The site is designed to show that customer service employees have a tough job and sometimes have to deal with difficult customers. If you're looking for a good laugh, or if you're a customer service employee yourself, then check out Not Always Right. You might just learn something about how to deal with difficult customers. Number 2. Pixlr.com. Pixlr is a powerful image editing tool that offers a wide range of features for both professionals and beginners. With Pixlr, you can create stunning images for your website, blog, or social media account. And best of all, it's free. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Pixlr has everything you need to create beautiful images. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at what you can create. Number 3. Skyscanner.com. Skyscanner is a leading global travel search site, helping millions of travelers each month find the best flights, hotels, and car hire deals. This site works with over 1,200 airlines and 200,000 hotels to bring you the best deals. And this site is available in more than 30 languages. Whether you're looking for a last-minute getaway or planning your next big trip, Skyscanner can help you save time and money. Skyscanner brings you the latest deals from around the world, so you can plan your next trip with confidence. Number 4. EatThisMuch.com. If you're like most people, you probably don't give much thought to how much you eat. But did you know that the amount of food you consume can have a big impact on your health? Eating too much or too little can lead to serious health problems. That's why it's important to be aware of how much you're eating and to make sure you're getting the right amount of food for your body. Eating the right amount of food is essential for good health. This means eating enough to satisfy your hunger without eating too much. But how do you know how much is too much? And how can you make sure you're getting enough of the right nutrients? The best way to figure out how much you should be eating is to talk to a registered dietitian or your doctor. They can help you determine how many calories you need. Number 5. Flightstats.com. Flightstats is a website that allows users to track the status of flights in real time. The website also provides information on arrivals and departures, as well as delays and cancellations. Flightstats are a valuable resource for travelers, as they can help them plan their trips and avoid delays. I hope you find these 5 websites as useful and informative as I did. If you did, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Also, keep an eye out for more informative videos on exciting topics. Until then, goodbye.